In a significant leap for space exploration in Africa, Axiom Space, a prominent player in commercial space infrastructure, has entered into a strategic partnership with the Ghana Space Science and Technology Institute (GSSTI). The collaboration formalized through a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) on March 13, 2025 aims to bolster Ghana's burgeoning space ecosystem while fostering global access to space. This agreement aligns seamlessly with Ghana's recently adopted national space policy, which reflects the country's commitment to expanding its presence in the global space industry. The MOU outlines a multifaceted approach targeting innovation, workforce development, and the advancement of space science and technology. By leveraging Axiom Space's extensive expertise in human spaceflight and cutting-edge technologies, GSSTI seeks to enhance its initiatives and long-term vision. This collaboration opens new frontiers for innovation and research, enhancing Ghana's presence in the global space industry, remarked Dr. Joseph Bremang Tandoh, director of GSSTI, underscoring the partnership's potential. Tejpal Bhatia, chief revenue officer at Axiom Space, echoed this enthusiasm, emphasizing the shared commitment to making space exploration more accessible. He noted Ghana's dedication to space exploration is truly inspiring, and the adoption of a national space policy marks a major step forward. This partnership not only signifies a progressive move for Ghana but also serves as a catalyst for scientific and economic growth, as both organizations will explore opportunities for future missions, technology development, and educational initiatives in space science. The signing of the MOU is a pivotal moment in Ghana's journey to establish itself as a key player in the global space sector. The collaboration aims to promote space science, human spaceflight, and STEM education, positioning Ghana as an emerging participant in the expanding universe of space exploration. The country's proactive stance is expected to attract further investment in partnerships, propelling its ambitions in space science and technology. As the partnership unfolds, many in the space community are watching closely to see how this collaboration will influence not just Ghana's space endeavors but also the broader landscape of international space exploration. The future looks promising as Axiom Space and GSSTI embark on this journey, paving the way for groundbreaking opportunities in space science and technology and potentially inspiring a new generation of space enthusiasts in Africa and beyond. In a time when the world is grappling with the ramifications of a global pandemic and the urgent need for advanced medical solutions, mRNA technology stands at the forefront of a revolutionary shift in healthcare. This transformative approach, which gained prominence during the COVID-19 pandemic, is the focus of an upcoming event hosted by the Foundation for mRNA Medicines and the Johns Hopkins Bloomberg Center. Scheduled for April 1, 2025, the event will feature a screening of the documentary The Messenger, a story of mRNA, followed by a fireside chat aimed at unpacking the significance of mRNA technology in modern medicine. The documentary highlights the groundbreaking contributions of scientists Katalin Kariko and Drew Weissman, who were awarded the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 2023 for their pivotal role in developing mRNA vaccines. Through a series of interviews and expert insights, the film seeks to bridge the gap between the scientific community, policymakers, and the general public. As the narrative unfolds, it emphasizes the importance of building public trust in science and inspiring future generations of innovators. This film is not just about science, it's about creating a narrative that connects real-world challenges with scientific advancements, said one of the event organizers. Following the screening, a panel consisting of scientists, media representatives, and government officials will engage in a thought-provoking discussion linking the film's themes to contemporary challenges. The dialogue aims to explore how the lessons learned from mRNA technology can inform responses to future health crises. The event is free and open to the public, although registration is required, reflecting an effort to ensure broad community engagement. However, while mRNA technology offers tremendous promise, it also faces significant challenges. Recent reports indicate that the National Institutes of Health (NIH) has cut research funding for various initiatives, including those aimed at addressing vaccine hesitancy, with mRNA research potentially in jeopardy. This shift in funding underscores the precarious nature of scientific inquiry and the need for sustained investment in public health research. Experts warn that neglecting such funding could hinder progress in vaccine development and create further obstacles in combating misinformation surrounding vaccination. In a related commentary, Dr. Dean Rigier from the University of British Columbia has advocated for Canada to step up as a global leader in pandemic preparedness. He emphasizes the need for the country to enhance its capacity for vaccine and treatment development domestically, particularly in light of recent U.S. policy changes that have diminished health leadership on the global stage. The next pandemic is not a question of if, but when, Rigier warns, highlighting the urgency of proactive measures in health policy and translational medicine. As the world looks toward a future where health challenges are inevitable, the intersection of science policy and public engagement becomes increasingly critical. The upcoming screening and discussion at Johns Hopkins not only celebrate the achievements of mRNA technology but also serve as a reminder of the collaborative efforts needed to navigate the complexities of public health. With the scientific community, governments, and the public working together, there is hope that the lessons learned from recent crises will pave the way for more effective responses to future health emergencies. In conclusion, as we stand on the precipice of new medical advancements, the discussions initiated by events like the one at Johns Hopkins become essential in shaping a health-conscious society. The journey of mRNA technology is far from over, and its future will depend on continued dialogue, robust funding, and a commitment to overcoming the challenges that lie ahead. As this narrative unfolds, it is clear that the stakes are high, and the world is watching closely. In recent years, the landscape of cancer treatment has been dramatically reshaped by advancements in immunotherapy, particularly through the development of immune checkpoint inhibitors (ICIs). These therapies, which have emerged from decades of research into the immune system's ability to combat cancer, are paving the way for new treatment paradigms that could significantly enhance patient outcomes. The concept of utilizing the immune system to fight cancer dates back to the late 19th century, when clinician William Bradley Coley began experimenting with bacterial injections to induce tumor regression. However, it was not until the groundbreaking discoveries of scientists like Tasuku Honjo and James Allison that the field of immunotherapy truly gained momentum. In 2018, both Honjo and Allison were awarded the Nobel Prize for their work on immune checkpoint proteins, specifically programmed cell death protein 1 PD1 and cytotoxic T lymphocyte-associated protein 4 CTLA4. Their research revealed how tumor cells exploit these checkpoints to evade immune detection, and blocking them could restore T cells' ability to target cancer effectively. ICIs work by inhibiting these immune checkpoints, thereby unleashing the immune system's potential to identify and destroy cancer cells. The first FDA-approved ICI, ipilimumab, targeted CTLA4 and was initially used for metastatic melanoma. Since then, a range of ICIs targeting both CTLA4 and PD1 as well as PD-L1, a ligand that interacts with PD1, have entered the market, marking a significant shift in cancer therapy. The success of ICIs has led researchers to explore additional immune checkpoint targets beyond the established ones. Molecules like lymphocyte activation gene 3, LAG3, T-cell immunoglobulin and mucin domain 3, TIM3, and T-cell immunoglobulin and ITIM domain TIGIT are now under investigation for their potential to further enhance anti-tumor immunity. These emerging targets signify the ongoing evolution of immunotherapy, which continues to adapt and innovate in the face of cancer's complex biology. In parallel to the development of ICIs, researchers in the UK are working on a revolutionary cancer vaccine that could detect and target precancerous cells, potentially stopping the disease up to 20 years before it manifests. This initiative is a collaboration between pharmaceutical giant GSK and the University of Oxford, leveraging advancements in precancer biology to design a vaccine that targets early-stage cancer cells. Professor Sarah Blagden, who leads the project, emphasizes the importance of tackling cancer at its earliest stages, stating, "Cancer does not come from nowhere. Most cancers are invisible when they are going through this, what we now call precancer stage. GSK's investment of £50 million over 3 years aims to uncover vulnerabilities in precancerous cells and explore how vaccines can be used to thwart their progression. The surge in research and development of cancer vaccines has been significantly accelerated by the success of mRNA technology during the COVID-19 pandemic. Experts like Leonard Lee, a UK oncologist, highlight how the rapid deployment of mRNA vaccines for COVID-19 has shifted focus toward personalized cancer vaccines. These bespoke vaccines are designed from a patient's tumor profile, teaching the immune system to recognize and attack cancer cells. Lee notes that the UK has established itself as a leader in this field with a framework that allows for swift clinical trials and innovation, demonstrating that cancer vaccines are not merely a future possibility but a developing reality. As the field progresses, the integration of predictive biomarkers such as PD-L1 expression, microsatellite instability, and tumor mutational burden plays a crucial role in tailoring ICI treatments to individual patients. Although current biomarkers face challenges in accuracy and applicability, ongoing research aims to refine these tools to predict patient responses more effectively. The horizon of cancer treatment is brightening, with both immune checkpoint inhibitors and innovative vaccine strategies offering new hope. The ongoing evolution of these therapies signifies a robust commitment to not only treating cancer more effectively but also preventing it at earlier stages. As research continues, the future may hold even more transformative breakthroughs in the fight against this formidable disease, making it imperative for the scientific community to maintain its momentum in the pursuit of innovative solutions. As artificial intelligence rapidly transforms industries across the globe, its impact on educational trends and career aspirations is becoming increasingly evident. In South Korea, a notable decline in university applications for computer science programs reflects a shifting perception of the field, influenced by the fear that AI might render traditional coding roles obsolete. This trend raises critical questions about the future of education and employment in an era dominated by advanced technology. Recent data from the admissions industry reveals that the number of applicants for early admission to domestic university computer science programs for the 2025 academic year has fallen to 27,266, a decrease of 2,229 compared to the previous year. This downturn has resulted in a reduction of the overall competition ratio to 19.3 to 1, down by 1.3 percentage points from 2024. Just 3 years prior, during the 2022 admissions cycle, computer science programs were highly sought after, with applicants even choosing them over medical school in some cases. For instance, in that year, the competition ratio at Seoul National University's Department of Computer Science and Engineering rose from 2.58 to 1 to an impressive 3.4 to 1. The surge in interest during the pandemic was largely driven by the explosive growth of platform services, which fueled excitement around AI in software development. Phrases like "you can't become a billionaire as a doctor, but you can by launching an IT startup" became popular among aspiring students. Last year, a perfect scorer on the National College Entrance Exam made headlines by opting for computer science over medicine, highlighting the field's allure. However, the landscape has changed dramatically with the rise of generative AI and growing concerns about job security for human developers. Many in the industry now believe that the skills needed to thrive are evolving. Proficiency in AI utilization is becoming essential, overshadowing traditional coding capabilities. As AI-driven automation advances, the job market is increasingly valuing expertise in AI management and data analysis, stated an industry insider. This shift has been compounded by hiring freezes at various IT firms, leading to increased uncertainty within the sector. A recent survey by South Korea's largest developer community, OKKY, indicated that half of the 18 IT companies surveyed, each with over 100 employees, had no plans for new hires. This trend has particularly affected major tech firms like Naver, Kakaoline, Kuang, and Toss, where competition in the platform sector has intensified, leading to a slowdown in recruitment. An industry official noted that while many companies in Pangeo Techno Valley, the heart of South Korea's tech industry, are encouraging developers to integrate AI into their work, the demand for junior developers has diminished. In contrast, There is an anticipated increase in demand for highly skilled professionals who can effectively manage and implement AI technologies. As South Korea navigates this transformative phase, the implications for educational institutions and aspiring tech professionals are profound. The decline in computer science applicants signals a need for universities to adapt their curricula to better align with the evolving job market, emphasizing AI proficiency and data analysis skills. Looking ahead, the future of computer science education and employment will likely hinge on the ability to integrate AI into learning and working practices. As the industry continues to evolve, fostering a workforce equipped with the right skills will be crucial for maintaining competitiveness and innovation in the global tech landscape. The challenge will be to ensure that students are not only prepared for the current demands of the job market but are also adaptable to the rapid changes that AI technologies will continue to bring. And a significant leap towards harnessing the power of the stars. Recent advancements in nuclear fusion technology have captured the attention of scientists and energy experts around the globe. As various nations and research institutions race to develop commercially viable fusion reactors, breakthroughs such as Canada's General Fusion achieving magnetized target fusion plasma and China's advancements with the experimental advanced superconducting tokamak East signal that the dream of clean limitless energy may be closer than ever. On March 12, 2025, Canada's General Fusion announced the successful formation of a magnetized plasma in its Lawson machine 26LM26, marking a pivotal milestone in their quest for zero-carbon fusion energy. This innovative approach to fusion, known as magnetized target fusion, promises a more cost-effective and scalable alternative to traditional methods that rely on expensive lasers or superconducting magnets. "We are doing what we do best, nimbly advancing our transformative technology and getting real results that matter," said Greg Twinney, CEO of General Fusion, emphasizing the streamlined path to delivering clean fusion energy. LM26 is designed to achieve various technical benchmarks, including reaching extreme temperatures of over 100 million degrees Celsius necessary for fusion. As the team optimizes its performance, they anticipate moving towards plasma compression trials that will trigger fusion reactions. Once operational, a single General Fusion plant is projected to deliver 300 megawatts of electricity, sufficient to power around 150,000 Canadian homes. Meanwhile, in China, researchers at the Hefei Institutes of Physical Science have made strides with the development of a 1/8 vacuum chamber system for fusion reactions. This system serves as a crucial experimental platform for future fusion reactors, aligning with the country's vision of establishing controllable nuclear fusion. Often referred to as the artificial sun, nuclear fusion mimics the processes that power stars, utilizing isotopes of hydrogen like deuterium and tritium, which are abundant and produce no long-lived radioactive waste. This technology not only has the potential to provide a clean energy source but also positions China as a leader in fusion research, as it outpaces Western nations in investment and talent, with 10 times the number of PhDs in fusion science compared to the United States. However, the road to commercializing nuclear fusion is fraught with challenges. While recent achievements in maintaining plasma stability are promising, experts caution that practical large-scale fusion energy remains a distant goal. The complexities of replicating stellar conditions on Earth, such as overcoming the electromagnetic repulsion of atomic nuclei and maintaining extreme temperatures, present ongoing technical hurdles. Furthermore, the economic viability of fusion reactors, which require substantial investment and innovative solutions to problems such as tritium supply and material endurance under extreme conditions, must be addressed before fusion can become a mainstream energy source. Despite these challenges, the momentum in fusion research is undeniable. The recent budgetary commitments from various governments, including India, which allocated significant funds toward nuclear energy initiatives, reflect a growing recognition of fusion's potential to address global energy needs sustainably. Additionally, the emergence of private companies investing heavily in fusion technology signals a vibrant future for this sector. As the global community grapples with the urgent need for clean energy solutions, the continued advancements in nuclear fusion technology will be closely monitored. The successful integration of fusion power into the energy grid could reshape the landscape of energy production, providing a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels and significantly reducing greenhouse gas emissions. With companies like General Fusion and research institutions worldwide making strides, the dream of limitless clean energy may soon transition from aspiration to reality. In a remarkable advancement within condensed matter physics, researchers have made significant strides in understanding superconductivity and crystal structure prediction, both of which hold immense potential for future technological innovations. This convergence of knowledge underscores the critical relationship between theoretical insights and practical applications in materials science, paving the way for breakthroughs in energy efficiency, electronics, and quantum computing. A recent publication highlights the discovery of two distinct superconducting regimes in a Kagome lattice superconductor, a finding that could reshape the landscape of superconductivity research. The Kagome lattice structure, characterized by its unique arrangement of atoms, has long intrigued physicists due to its potential to host exotic electronic states. In the study, researchers observed that this lattice exhibits superconductivity at different temperature thresholds, suggesting the presence of multiple mechanisms at play. These findings challenge our conventional understanding of how superconductivity can manifest in complex lattice structures, stated one of the lead researchers. This dual regime behavior could open new avenues for developing materials that operate as superconductors at higher temperatures, a long-sought goal in the field. In tandem with these superconductivity developments, researchers have also unveiled an innovative approach to predicting crystal structures utilizing symmetry and graph theory. This breakthrough, reported in Nature Computational Science, addresses a critical challenge in computational materials science: the prediction of stable crystal structures for intricate systems involving numerous elements. By harnessing the principles of symmetry, scientists can streamline the search for stable configurations, significantly enhancing the efficiency of crystal structure prediction. Our method not only simplifies the prediction process but also improves the accuracy of our results, explained Yanchao Wan, the study's author. This advancement is particularly crucial in the quest for new materials with desirable properties, as it allows researchers to explore a wider range of possibilities in design and composition. Moreover, the notion of a room temperature superconductor, a dream that has captivated scientists for decades, has gained renewed attention. Recent theoretical models suggest that achieving superconductivity at ambient temperatures may be within reach. Driven by innovative material designs and enhanced understanding of quantum phenomena, this potential breakthrough could revolutionize various industries by eliminating the need for cooling systems, thereby drastically reducing costs and energy consumption associated with current superconducting technologies. As research continues to evolve, the implications of these discoveries are profound. The ability to manipulate superconducting materials at higher temperatures, combined with advanced predictive methods for crystal structures, may lead to the development of ultra-efficient power grids, advanced quantum computers, and next-generation electronic devices. The path forward is illuminated by collaborative efforts across disciplines, emphasizing the crucial interplay between theory and experimentation. In conclusion, the advancements in superconductivity and crystal structure prediction are not just academic curiosities, they represent significant steps toward practical applications that could redefine the technological landscape. As researchers delve deeper into the complexities of materials science, the potential for unlocking new capabilities grows, promising a future where superconductors could operate seamlessly in everyday environments, fundamentally transforming our approach to energy and technology. The coming years will undoubtedly reveal whether these theoretical advancements can be realized in practical real-world applications, marking a new era in superconductivity and materials science.